In JANFREX, we have represented companies that manufacture the best technology in specialized machinery in the plastic industry for more than 20 years. Over in manufacturing, installation, sales, service, training, spare parts and molds for thermoforming. JANFREX is a link platform to drive growth of its customers with the best quality and professional service, offering everything from the design, manufacturing, and the startup of thermoforming equipment, developing with the highest technology and the specialized personnel. Design and manufacture tailor-made to their needs. Maintaining the highest quality materials and production processes. Sale of machinery and all the necessary equipment for the plastics industry. Granulators, shredders, extruders, material handling and cooling systems, Our staff has the highest professional level, enabling us to provide solutions in maintenance, service, and spare parts for your equipment. Thinking about development and expansion within the plastic industry, JANFREX is your ally step by step. We offer the equipment, all the support and training you need, creating a permanent backup link to your growth. JANFREX is a reliable company with advanced technology in their processes which meet the highest quality standards, engineering and the skilled staff that will boost your company's performance. JANFREX, boosting your performance.